You can use the find and replace capabilities of Word to search for a wide variety of information. One thing you can look for is paragraph formatting, as described in this quick tip. Word has a very powerful search capability that allows you to find not just text, but the formatting of text as well. For instance, you might want to search for paragraphs that have a certain type of formatting. It's rather easy to do this. The way that I set up the search is to first press Ctrl-H. When you do, Word displays the Find and Replace dialog box, and the Replace tab is selected within this dialog box. You can do your work in this dialog box if desired, but if you simply want to search for paragraph formatting, then go ahead and click on the Find tab of the dialog box. You should make sure that the Find What box is empty, that it doesn't contain anything, even any spaces. And then click on the More button right down here, if that button is available when you're using this dialog box. That expands the dialog box to have more controls within it. You should also go ahead and click on No Formatting right down here. That gets rid of any formatting that you may have searched for before. Now I can click on the Format button down here at the bottom and then choose Paragraph. Word then displays the Find Paragraph dialog box. This is where you set all the paragraph formatting for which you want to search. When selecting attributes that use checkboxes like these here, a check in the checkbox means that the matching paragraph must have the attribute. If the checkbox is empty, then the paragraph won't have that attribute. A shaded box, like you see here, means that the attribute doesn't really matter. As an example, let's say that we want to find any paragraphs that have an indentation of 1/2 inch. Well, all I have to do is use this control right here, and I set it to be 1/2 inch. And then when I click on OK, you can see that up here in the format area, that's what we're going to be searching for. Now I can say Find Next, and you can see that in the background, it has selected the paragraph that was already indented to 1/2 inch. I can then continue to click on Find Next to find the next paragraph that has that formatting, or I can go ahead and hit Escape or press Cancel to get out of that dialog box. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. Word really does make it easy to find advanced formatting, such as the formatting that's applied to paragraphs. If you did find this quick tip helpful, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.